Before xTend can read endpoint data, you need to use the Endpoint app to install the Endpoint agent. This is done in 5 easy steps. Step 1. In the Install Agent tab, click the Install button. Step 2. In the panel that pops up, click the Open System Settings button. Step 3. In the System Settings app, find where it says Ennetix Endpoint was blocked and click the Allow button. If needed, authenticate yourself. Step 4. Scroll up to the Full Disk Access section and click it. Step 5. Find the entry for Ennetix Endpoint agent and enable it. Congratulations! The Endpoint agent is installed. You can now quit the System Settings and Ennetix Endpoint apps. The next time you start the xTend app, it will automatically start receiving data from the Endpoint agent.